You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at BTC USDT, Ethereum and Porto chart. But before I continue with today's analysis, I am always very optimistic on Bitcoin. Now the reason being that when you see a downtrend, maybe the market is correcting or the trend is actually going down, that means an opportunity for us to buy Bitcoin at a lower prices. The reason being that when you see a downtrend or the markets coming with a good retracement, it's always a good time to buy low because Bitcoin will always create all-time highs. So when you see a bear move or a bearish market, don't panic out of your Bitcoin holding. So if you are holding Bitcoin, continue holding Bitcoin. There is no room for you to panic and sell your Bitcoin off. If you are holding for a long time, guys, if you are trading, you must have to set your stop loss and note your take profit targets in as much as you want to be in that position with that particular risk reward ratio. Right here, guys, what we see is a retracement of this very move. Say market retrace here, impulse to the downside, and we see this retracement as well, and market is going down. Now my previous analysis still holds at this very point. I've talked about this very strong support level, that if Bitcoin break this strong support level and give a low lower than this, then that means the bear continues. And I want to see a fair swing on this very trend before I can now say, oh, trend has ended, and also a breakout on this trend line. So if I draw this trend line here, I want to see a breakout on this trend line, or possibly you can put this trend line right here and then take this other one right at this point for the market to go back down. A breakout on this will also signify that the market is about heading to the upside. So that also will signify a change of the bearish trend right at this point. So that is what you should expect, guys. Expect the market to come back down. If it creates a new low, that means if the market go back right down and create a new low lower than the previous low, just know that the bear are still in the market. And if it fails to create a new low lower than this point, if it pause right here and break out on this trend line, then that means markets have potential of reversing and go back up again. ETH USD, guys, if you look at this very area, this was a very strong support level. So if I come here and draw this line from this area to this very point, then this line will be our trend line that we'll be using to note when the market break out of this trend line, for us to use it to enter a position. Like I said earlier, this was an impulse, but if you look at it from the long perspective, this was an impulse retracement. But if you look at it from this very area, this was impulse, market refused to go back down, move a little bit, we see support here, turn resistance at this point, and market is going back down again. So what you should expect to confirm our uptrend as well is a breakout on this trend line. This trend line is very important. This resistance trend line right here is very important, and that is what you should be looking out for the market to go up. Also look at fail swing or double bottom. If you see the market crash back down to this area and create a double bottom with a nice sign of market going up, that could be a potential entry to this very trend line at this point. And if the market fail swing and break out on the trend line, that will also signify a potential move to the upside after a breakout on this resistance line right at this point. So that is also what I'm expecting on Ethereum. Like I said earlier, if Ethereum break this strong support level, I am looking at Ethereum crash back down to this level right here of $37,000 and $36,000. That is going to happen exactly, guys, from this technical standpoint. Porto USDT analysis, if you look at it, there is no need to take a trade yet on this pair. Relax for the market to give you a sign to enter this trade. And I said earlier that you should look at the market breaking this strong resistance level on Porto chart right here. So if you draw this resistance level at this point, so if you take this horizontal trend line, and then at this point right here is the point of breakout. So we want to see the market break out on this resistance line. If the market does not break out on this resistance line, then it means no entry for us. So exact points on this resistance line, we want to see the market break out on this resistance line, which will indicate that the bulls are already in the market. Not only that, we want to see a significant volume in the 24-hour trading volume and on the volume indicator as well. That will give us a sign that the bulls are already in the market. If you've not subscribed to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And also, if you want to enroll for the Remit course, please check the description of this video and you see a contact and reach out to us directly. Thank you very much guys for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.